Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of The Artificial Professor, and in this tutorial we are going to be learning how to check who viewed your profile on Instagram. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Simply head over to Instagram, and now I am going to be sharing a tip that you can use to make it confirm that who is stalking you or checking out your profile secretly. So what you have to do is simply you have to add a story first. So simply head over to your camera and add a story and make a highlight. Once you do, you can add anything and make a highlight. So once you share your story, you can add it to your story and simply head over to that story and add it to your highlight. So let it upload first. So yeah, it is now uploaded. Simply set it as highlight. So you can see you can make a new highlight and add it just like that. So if a person is just stalking you, he will just check out that you have this new particular highlight going on, and once they go inside here, they will show up in here and you will get to know that they are checking you out. So you can see it is looking really prominent, and they might just click on this out of curiosity, and that way you can just have an idea that they are checking it out. So that's a pretty simple process, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.